What's going on, YouTube? Got a little head scratcher for us today. My customer here has got this K skid steer. Says he tried to crank it and it won't start, and then they jumped it and he took the cable off and it sparked on the frame and it shut down and won't start back. I'm not really sure what's going on with this thing, so we're just getting here, getting ready to start looking it over. I've never actually worked on a K skid steer before. I'm a Bobcat guy myself, so I don't know. This could be interesting. I hear these things are a pain in the ass and real funky. I guess the cab, I'm not sure. Something about lifting the arms to get the cab up, but that seems screwy to me. But I guess we're gonna start by seeing what's going on in here. Let's try to crank it and see what it does. All right. Got the arms down. I got nothing. Got nothing. Still nothing. Crank, crank, crank. Absolutely nothing. No sound, no response. Okay. Let's see what's going on with this battery then. What are they yelling at? Jeez. Okay, so there's the battery down there in this weird little hole. Let's get the tester on there and see what it does. Spun the wrong way. There we go. How the heck? All right. Oh boy, I should have charged this. This is a great little jump pack. The Hulkman 10.0 jump starter. This does real good. It actually starts my big truck from dead to cranked with no problem. So that's pretty impressive. But I'm sitting on about 35% right now, so that's not quite enough. Well, it's not a lot, but I don't know. Oh, now we got beeping going on in there. Look at this, look at this, look at this, John. Can you guys see that? This cable? Can you see it? I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but that cable is just as loose as can be. Hear it beeping in the cab? Yep, that thing is just as loose as can be. Okay, and then we got another cable here that is, oh, look at how this is done. What is going on here? Swing around here, look at this. This is hooked to, let's see. Okay, this is the old battery post cable that has a wire attached to that goes up to this battery cable post and is just screwed into the end loosely. I have never seen that before. Why would you, I gotta ask him what the heck the thought was there. Why would you do, that doesn't reach obviously. There's something going on screwy here with this battery, but okay, well that's a problem. Well, let's see, I can hear that thing in there beeping away, yeah. Okay, let's see. don't really have anywhere good to put to you guys. Let me tighten this thing up and we'll be right back. Okay, so found another issue related to the same thing. Here's his battery disconnect switch. And if you look, that wire back there is just loose as B. That's his main battery cable to the positive post. And it's just swinging on that switch. So that's loose. This is loose under here. So no connections. Let's get all this tightened back up and we'll see what's going on here. This switch is gonna be a pain because I gotta take it out of this holder to get it down. Stay with me, come on. No, I can't do that. Osmo, you're all up in my way. Let's do that right there. Oh boy, that's tight. Of course it is. Okay, almost got it. Can't get them stupid pliers in there, right? Up against the wall. Oh Lord, come on. Why? All right, there we go, yeah. All right. Ow, that hurt. All right, come on down. Get on out of there. Good Lord. John, help me. Come around this side over here and pull this cable down. Pull down on it. So there you go, right there. That'll work. All right, let it come back to me now. Okay. Oh, that's grody. That is ugly. Good Lord. That is nasty. I don't know if I should just tighten it or if it's gonna be need to be cleaned. Okay. Let's just get this snug in first and see what happens. And then we'll take it off and clean it if we need to. That is good and tight now. Okay. Good and tight. That's good and tight. All right, let me tighten this one up now. Grab Osmo. I really should just eliminate this stupid thing and put the right one back on it, because that one ain't working at all. This is gonna be fun. I mean, that don't even get, that thing's so damn stripped out. Let's just see if that's the problem first. I think it is. Seems awful skid steery all of a sudden. Now, I think I need to just go ahead and eliminate that stupid little wire and see if I can get the real post back on it. I think I can. I don't see why not. Oh, I need a 1/2 inch. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh, you're kidding me. What are you? Really? What is this one? Well, this one's half like it's supposed to be. Why aren't you? Really? That looks like 7/16. You want to go grab one? Okay. Get rid of that. Put that back on. What I'm going to do, I don't think this little wire here is needed. I think that thing will reach once you get it up in there. So I'm just going to take it off and see what happens here. Because there's just one more spot for misconnections. So why have that in the system if it's just making problems? Oh, you're freaking kidding me. You know what? Nip-X for the win. Should have just grabbed it to start with. Yep, as always. They win every time, just about. Okay. Now, let's get this piece of crap out of the way. Yeah, you see this? Onto there. I've never even seen a battery post like that. I'm gonna have to ask him where he even gets that, because I ain't never seen that before. But I'm gonna eliminate that and put it right back to where it's supposed to be on this battery post, like it's supposed to be. Okay, let's give this a twist. All right. Get on there. Now, hopefully that, let me stick this back up in real quick. What the heck? All right, there we go. All right. Now, if I get this down here. Okay. Get it back like Mother Nature intended it to be. She might be all right. We'll see. I don't see why they needed that, but maybe I don't know something. Well, that brings up another good point, folks. We are well insured, so if it does, I can buy him several more. I have got about, I don't know, close to $6 million in coverage, a $5 million GL policy just to work on concrete plants. So, yeah, and then $1 million garage keepers policy for just that occasion. If this thing does burn to the ground while we're out here working on this, or because I did this, then they will cover that, what I'm working on, the machines I'm working on. So ask your mechanic when he's working on your stuff, is he insured? Because this stuff's expensive, and you make a wrong move and burn this thing to the ground, and I bet you money more or less they're gonna just stop taking your calls and disappear on you. So it's another point. If you're gonna spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on a machine, why spend as little as possible maintaining it and repairing it? Well, that's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. All right, let's try that, John. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. There she is. Just like that, John. Quick as could be. Lickety split. That's how we do. It's not always a tough fix. Electrical connections, man. Electrical connections. They are a pain in the butt. Sometimes. Okay, that should stay in there now. That's got the hold of that. That's off of that. Everything's good there. I'm gonna call this a damn success. Hell yeah. Well, first time I worked on a case and I won. There we go. All right, well, we'll catch y'all on the next one.